Hey everyone, Jerzy Poznar here with Up Close Travel, getting you up close with the world's most incredible destinations. Today we're going to get up close with the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection and some new itineraries that they just released. They are fantastic. But before we start, if you have any questions, I'm always around. You can contact me anytime. And I am a travel advisor. If you need help planning your next adventure, keep me in mind for that as well. So the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection, they just released 13 new itineraries that sail between Hawaii and French Polynesia. They are fantastic itineraries. We're going to take a look at those in a second. But they sail on the Evrima. Evrima's the Ritz's first ship, up to 298 guests, so it's very intimate. But for now, let's take a look at those itineraries. So here we are, 2026 into 2027 sailings. First sailing is Honolulu to Tahiti. Let it zoom in here. So here's that sailing. So the first sailing is December 3rd, 2026, 12 nights. You start in Honolulu. There are 4 days of sailing the Hawaiian Islands. Then you start to head south, 2 days of sailing. Then you hit Fanning Island, Kiribati. This is the definition of off the beaten path. This is a tiny coral atoll in the middle of the Pacific. It's so remote that most travelers have never even heard of it, which is exactly what makes this place extraordinary. It's got a population of just around 2,000 people. Fanning Island offers an authentic Polynesian experience that's virtually untouched by mass tourism. So after that, we have 3 days of sailing further south. When we get to Bora Bora, so we're finally in French Polynesia, and then we'll sail Bora Bora, Mora, and then we end in Papeete. So this is the first sailing. Then there are 10 round-trip Tahiti sailings. So they start on December 15th. So 10 sailings down to February 23rd, 2027. So here we start in Papeete. We visit Taha'a, Huahin, Re'eatea, Bora Bora overnight, Mora, and then we finish in Papeete. So this is 7 nights. There are 10 sailings. There is one other Tahiti round trip that is on January 19th. So it's the same itinerary where it's Papeete round trip. The only difference here is we're doing an overnight in Mora instead of Bora Bora. So while both islands are stunning, they have turquoise lagoons and dramatic volcanic peaks, Bora Bora is the more glamorous showstopper, luxury overwater bungalows, crystal clear lagoons that's perfect for snorkeling and water sports, while Mora offers more of an authentic Polynesian experience. It's known as the Magic Island. It's greener, more dramatic with jagged mountain peaks, pineapple plantations, and it's got excellent hiking trails. The lagoons are both equally beautiful, but Mora feels a little bit more intimate and less developed. So that's January 19th. And then the 13th sailing, we started in Honolulu. So now we're basically going back Tahiti to Honolulu, March 2nd, 2027. So we sail the French Polynesian Islands here, and then we start heading back up north. So we have 3 days of sailing the Pacific Ocean. We stop in Fanning Island, Kiribati, and then 2 more days of sailing before we get into the Hawaiian Islands. So 4 days of sailing before we end back in Honolulu. Those are some amazing itineraries. If you wanted to sail around the French Polynesian Islands in a small ship luxury yacht, this is a perfect opportunity. So the Ritz-Carlton Yacht Collection is all inclusive. All your meals on board are included with the exception of one specialty restaurant, but you get to have unlimited meals at all their other restaurants. All your beverages are including top shelf alcohol, coffees, teas, your Wi-Fi, gratuities, all included. The only thing that's not included is anything you buy in the boutique, anything you do in the spa, and your shore excursions. So as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.